Your child has been charged with a juvenile criminal offense. And one of the things that surprised you is that law enforcement went to your child's school and questioned your child without your permission and even without your knowledge. Maybe even your child asked for you to be present, but law enforcement never contacted you and questioned your child anyway. This is a common tactic that law enforcement use with regard to children. They know that children are vulnerable. They know that they are not in a position to understand that they can say no to an authority figure. And so I would encourage you as a parent that when your child gets to the point that they can understand substance of this sort, that you sit down with them and have a conversation with them and explain to them, yes, law enforcement officers are generally their friend. Law enforcement officers are generally there to help them. But if a law enforcement officer comes to them in their school or in some other context and wants to question them about an allegation that they committed a crime, you need to let your child know that they can say no to that law enforcement officer in terms of answering their questions, and train them to insist that the officials call mom and dad, and that they will not talk to an official, school official or a law enforcement officer, until mom and dad are there to make sure their rights are protected. And mom and dad, when you get there, your answer is, my child is not answering any questions until an attorney is present. Because the law in Florida allows law enforcement officers to engage in this type of activity, which I disagree with. I think it's wrong and the law should be changed. But this is the law now. The failure to contact a parent is one factor in determining under the law whether a statement by a child is or is not admissible in court. But generally, the failure to contact a parent and have a parent present will not cause a statement of your child to be inadmissible. Contact me. Let's sit down. Let's talk about your child's case. Teach your child how to deal with these situations. Have a frank conversation with them.